There are numerous items accessible to airsoft rifles. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best airsoft rifles from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Game Face GFRPKTGS. The Game Face Ghost Affliction Full is the perfect airsoft rifle for those that want the best possible performance. It comes with a variety of accessories, such as BBs and safety glasses, to make it the perfect choice for any airsoft player. The gravity-fed rifle is also easy to customize, with a number of add-ons available for those that want to make their airsoft experience even more fun. GFRPKTGS Ghost Affliction Full is a great airsoft rifle that is perfect for those that want the best possible performance. The BBs and safety glasses included are a great addition, and make the airsoft experience even more fun. The rifle is easy to customize, with a number of add-ons available. The rifle is a great choice for those that want the best possible performance. Number 2. Lancer Tactical Gen 2 Airsoft Rifle. This is an excellent airsoft rifle, made with high-quality materials and features. The gun is easy to operate and has a very stable feel. It also comes with a very high-quality battery and gearbox. Overall, this is an excellent airsoft rifle that is sure to make your opponent regret not spending more money on a better one. Very high-quality material, stable and easy to operate. High-quality battery and gearbox. Very good airsoft rifle that is sure to make your opponent regret not spending more money on a better one. Number 3. Soft Airsoft FN Scar. The Soft Airsoft FN Scar L Spring Airsoft Rifle is a great replica of an airsoft rifle. It is made with high-strength ABS polymer for a realistic feeling, and is able to shoot 6mm ammo in a single shot. It also has a powerful spring that can shoot 300 FPS with 6mm ammunition. The magazine holds 50 rounds, and the folding collapsible stock can flip up front and rear sights, make it easy to take care of. Overall, the Soft Airsoft FN Scar L Spring Airsoft Rifle is a great replica of an airsoft rifle that is sure to please. High-strength ABS polymer for a realistic feel. Shoots 6mm ammo in a single shot. Includes 100 starter BBs. Easy to load. Folding collapsible stock can flip up front and rear sights. Great replica of an airsoft rifle. Number 4. TAC Airsoft Gun Package. If you are just getting started in airsoft, then the TAC Airsoft Gun Package is the perfect way to get started. It includes an airsoft 6mm pellets ammo, airsoft guns, and a realistic replica of a gun. It is also easy to load with clip for quick and easy reload. You will be able to start playing with this package right away. Packed with value. Fast loading. Ready to play. Realistic replica. Powerful spring loaded. Number 5. SIG Sauer SIG-1 MPX Airsoft. This product is a SIG Air SIG-1 MPX Spring Airsoft Rifle. It uses 6mm plastic BB, which makes it very durable and long-lasting. It is easy to use and stores easily. Durable. Long-lasting. Easy to use.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.